let's see if I can repair this iPhone 13 Pro. It has a hole. Let's see. Screwdriver. Oh, I thought iPhones were repairable. At least we kept this camera module. What do we do with it? Dang. These cameras are weak. Wow. That is so weak. How about this sensor? Don't know what it does. It's easy to break. Flash. That's... Yep, everything's easy to break. How about, like, this camera? Yay, we can finally get privacy. Scrape it up. Yeah, it is a pretty weak phone. Get sunglasses instead. Well, that iPhone 13 Pro didn't survive my fixing, so let's repair this iPhone 11 Pro in space gray, I think. So you're gonna unscrew from here. Another screw. How about... Dang. Dang. Okay. I keep missing. Come on. Yes. Oh my god. That's a piece. Well, haven't gotten this. How about we just go from the top? Oh, that was the wrong direction. Where's... Oh, there's a camera. Well, let's add some privacy features. Camera. Gone! There it is. Out. These small ass cameras can go to jail for invading people's privacy. This sensor too. And this flashlight. Oh, that... I didn't get it at all. Yep. Oh, I could just rip it. You want to just get an iPhone 4 battery. It's better. and it's cheaper. Speaking of iPhone 4, here's these two, iPhone 4 and 4S. For some reason, this has a Touch ID module, even though it isn't Touch ID. The model number is A1075, which is an Airport Extreme something. This is just regular. So, it has bad batteries. At least I have this battery for this, but I don't have an iPhone 4S battery on me. So, oh, that's a, what? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this, you can't tear it at all? What? Oh, it's just folded. Or is it? It was folded. No more home button. Wait, oh, there's the front camera. Oh, it's already destroyed, kind of. Where's the camera? There's the camera. No more invading privacy. Yay. This iPhone 4. Yeah, I think I got the proper screwdriver. I think I stripped that one, so that's a bad screw too. Well, this is a weird model, so should I keep it? Nope. No more Touch ID, no more front-facing camera, no more invading privacy at all. No more camera. Oh, I forgot to remove the flashlight from the 4S. No more Apple logo. No more weird serial number. Apparently it's a model number. Guess this was a prototype. Oh no. It's like those other people. Oh my god. No. No, where's the flashlight? I don't see any flashlight. Dang it. Okay. Whatever. What's lost is lost. That might explain why there's also the proximity sensor, like, very visible. That made no sense. Gosh. Lost is lost. That's it. Oh. Wasted battery. This 2013 iMac is super broken. It has no good drivers, so that means 4 flew over there. It's still fine. That's weird. 3, 2, 1. I'm go up here. Ow. Okay, 3, 2, 1. How about we just stab it? Oh, that is satisfying. Where's the stand? Yeah, rip it off. Make a new hole when this is folded. Oh. Yeah, let's cause some electrical damage. Where's the camera? There it is. Stop invading people's privacy. There we go. A bad iMac. I could just get a new one. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I have a new iPhone 4 that I'm keeping. It's right here. It's nice, isn't it? Just kidding.